Hey everyone, I am Harshita Chaudhary, a first year forensic science student at NFSU. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss each and every detail about the integrated BSc MSc forensic science course. So, what exactly is this course about? What do you study in this course? What is the eligibility? What exam do you have to give to get a seat? What are the seats available for this particular course? We will discuss all these things in this particular video. So let's get started. First of all, a little bit description about this integrated BSc MSc in forensic science program. This program is of 5 years, 3 years of bachelor's and then 2 years of master's. If you really want to actually investigate the crime scenes, analyze the evidences and want to work as a forensic scientist, this is the best course for you. First of all, let's discuss what is the eligibility criteria for this particular course. So you must have physics, chemistry and biology or maths in your 10 plus 2, which is your 12th grade. And you have to score minimum 60% for general and OBC and 55% for other reserve category in your 12th examinations, in your 12th board examinations to get eligible for this course. There are total 10 semesters in this complete entire course, which is 6 semesters in your bachelor's program and then 4 semesters in your master's program. After discussing about the eligibility criteria, now let's discuss about the exam you have to give to enter into this course. You have to give NFET exam and clear that exam to get admission in NFSU for this course. The exam pattern is you will be giving 100 questions of physics, chemistry and biology, and for each correct question you will get 1 marks and 1 mark, and for each incorrect question you will get a minus 0.25, which is negative of 1/4. The syllabus for integrated BSc MSc course in NFET exam is your 11th and 12th syllabus, which is you have to thoroughly read your 11th and 12th NCRTs to pass this exam. For now, there are 6 campuses which provide this particular course: Gandhinagar, Delhi, Bhopal, Goa, Tripura and Dharawad. Only 40 seats available in each campus. 60 seats are available in Dharawad campus. Rest in all other campuses, only 40 seats are available for BSc MSc course. Now let's discuss the fee structure of this complete course. So even after NFSU is a government institute, still the fees is quite high. The fees per semester is 65,000. Please note that hostel fees is not included in this. Before moving on to the curriculum and syllabus of this particular course, if you are liking this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Now once you clear the exam, you pay your fees and get admission at the NFSU. Now what will you actually study? What will be the curriculum for BSc and MSc programs here? You will learn from basics like physics, chemistry and biology in your first semesters to subjects like crime scene investigation, introduction to forensic science, question document, ballistics, fingerprinting and digital forensics and all these different subjects. After completing your bachelor's, which is 6 semesters, you can do specialization in particular subjects. Like if you are joining master's program after completing your bachelor's from this integrated course only, then you will be giving choices like you can choose toxicology, you can do specialization in fingerprinting, question document, digital forensics, ballistics and all these subjects. And you can also join MSc directly after doing your bachelor's from some other university as well. You can check the eligibility criteria on the official website of NFSU and then directly enroll into these MSc and master programs. As I have already told you that this course is a 5-year long course. So in the first 3 years, learn about basic of all the subjects which are useful in the field of forensics. Now after completing your bachelor's, you will choose a particular field. Like for example, you want to choose, you want to be a toxicologist. A toxicologist deals with poisons, drugs and all these stuffs. and analyze them. In the first year of your masters, you will learn about this particular subject in complete detail. In the second year, which is 9th and 10th semester, especially in the 10th semester, you will be provided with the internships. University itself provide you internships at different FSLs, DFSS or CFSLs as well. Even in your bachelor's and first year of your master, you can directly approach to forensic science laboratories and other police departments in which the forensic labs are available for your internship purpose. Hand-on practice will be provided in your master's program. After you have completed this long journey of 5 years, what exactly you will be? Like, what are the job opportunities? What will exactly be your job status? Now, if you are just here for placements or choosing this particular field because of money or to just get a good placement, this field is not for you because it required a lot of practice and patience. Forensics is still a new field in India and it's still growing. So you can't expect a lot from it as of now, but it's continuously growing. So maybe after 5 or 10 years, it will be a fully bloomed field in itself. So after completing your integrated BSc MSc Forensic Science course, you can do PhD. So if you are a research enthusiast and you want to go further into research purpose, into research field, you can definitely do PhD. Also, you can be a forensic scientist. You can actually go to the crime scenes, investigate the real crime scenes, take evidences from there and actually investigate it into forensic laboratories. Like there are FSLs, which is Forensic Science Laboratory. Also there are CFSLs, which are Central Forensic Science Laboratories. If you want to join courses like NIA, CBI, CID, you can also join them and work there as a special forensic expert. Other than this, if you are interested in teaching, you can be a professor at any university in which forensic is being taught. Like even we have professors who used to be crime scene investigators and forensic scientists, but now they are teaching us. So you can also do teaching if you are interested. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about forensics and NFSU, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.